Welcome guys, this is a new tool. The name is Hugging Face, and it's the background removal AI tool. And the Hugging Face is a world number 5th AI tool, which is a huge use in over the world. That it's a very simple that you can create. If you want to write in a Google, just please background removal AI tool, any website that you can. But in this case, the Hugging Face AI tool is a powerful tool that you can do anything. That let's start it. I can create it and just drop here and just uploaded the photos, and just this is the photos of Allu Arjun, the South hero, and submitted. And this is we can create it, and it takes time to a second. It's a 15, and that just here. That look into this is a photo, and that background remove. If you this and this, if you want to download it, that we can be download here, just like this. Just click in and download here. We can create it, and just it's a very simple. There is no need to be a sign up, that you can create it. And just you can also in use it. And if you are a new in my YouTube channel, that you can subscribe my channel, because in daily basis that you can watch the new AI tool in a day. Thank you for watching it. That will meet in the next videos. Thank you for watching.